Show our equipment. Got the SIG MICX9 and the custom built 308. The set operator of said gun. Good old sunflower seeds. All the room in the world to shoot. That's 300 yards there. And that's 700 yards there. That's what we're working with today. Hopefully we get something. If I get it on film, that'd be cool. Yeah, there you go. Well, I mean, we're gonna wait a little bit because right now he's kind of between us and that double wide, so we'll wait till he gets a little further over. We got probably 10 minutes. We'll make a shot. So we've been waiting all day, and finally there's a deer out there. He ranged it at 670 yards, and then well, we're he's gonna take a shot. Obviously, can't pass something like that up. 670 yards with his some kind of bullet. He's been reloading for like the last 4 years. But see you in a second. We better celebrate a little bit. That's nice. Just dropped one at what, 650, 670?
I'd say it was probably 650.
650 yards, y'all. Busting out the set them ups. Custom built 308 rifle. From ground up, everything's custom. With a hand knit hunting cap, you know. Gotta keep it real. But yeah, 650 yards, you can't beat that kind of jump. That's awesome. We are on the walk of glory. We had come from way focus. On top of that hill. So we drove down this hill, came around, now we're here. And then we got that was 300 yards. We were going a big L. Now we gotta make it to the other tidbit across the creek. Well, excuse me, it's a river, guys. You can feel how cold it is in there. Like the water's like 19 degrees. I can feel like how chilly it is on the inside of my boots. Yeah. Yeah, it's something. It was a lot more froze up this morning. When I walked across here the first time, it was a lot more froze up. Yeah, all this junk to this bush right here was solid ice. Good little mud lick. And now just a really long walk. Anyways, it's like this field is 600.
How far is it? 40 yards? Oh, yeah, that's nothing really good to say. From here to that, I don't know, 500 still. From here to the tip, well, from here to the edge of the wood line, call it 500. 500 yards. 490 yards from the deer. This is where I was walking across earlier. I'm gonna feel on my face. Over there. Come on. Alright, can you see that tall white tree right there? The big one, the big, like the lightest of all, the night myself. Yeah, on the other side of the woods. You can see the top of it. That's about where that deer was I shot. At 520. Oh, but when I was reading top 20 was part 2 of the walk. Glory. Do I sit there? Back on the side about that? Do I sit down back? Let's go out in this field because it's 1,000 yards away from where we hunt at one way. One way, it's a 2,000 round trip. I was like, it's cold, it's 19 degrees. I was like, I ain't doing it again. Yeah, it's 19 degrees now. Set it out there at 9 o'clock in the morning, and then walked all the way back. And it had been like 15 degrees, it was terrible. But, yeah. How you feeling right now? Tell me, explain your flavors. Oh, flavors of Madden. Oh, I'm tingling right now. Just all the walking in the world. That was nice moon tonight. Today. There's that big old friggin' hole. Like just like that. No, you haven't taken YouTube a little more seriously. No, it's yeah. It's kind of like hardcore fitness now. I'm in the middle of the cooler. I had to. I got like 4 videos. I'm gonna watch 8 of them yet. But I guess I'm just gonna pull that out. Okay,
Scent trap should be right here on the ground. Probably fell off. Yeah, there it is. Here's my scent trap. Good old scent bomb. Whew. Smells so good.
That's got good synthetic pee in it.
Yeah.
Fake, made laboratory.
There it is, y'all. 670 yards later. If you're in a straight line, 1,000 for us. I'm out of breath, man. That was a walk. Not done powers for real. Well, nah, it's got a good body on it. Yeah, y'all, man, look at that sucker. That's a nice big deer.
Big dog.
Shoot, yeah. Break head up, man. Smile for the camera.